At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an index fund business involves several steps, including planning, legal considerations, financial setup, and operational strategies. Here's a general guide to get you started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the index fund industry thoroughly, including its regulations, competitors, and potential market. Identify your target market, such as individual investors, institutional investors, or both. Determine which index or indices you want to track with your fund. Consider factors like market capitalization, sector focus, and geographic location. Create a business plan outlining your fund's objectives, strategies, target market, marketing plan, and financial projections. 2. Legal and regulatory compliance. Consult with legal experts to structure your business entity appropriately, considering factors like liability protection and tax implications. Register your index fund business with relevant regulatory authorities, such as the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in the United States, and comply with their requirements for operating a mutual fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF. Ensure compliance with all securities laws and regulations, including disclosure requirements and investor protections. 3. Financial setup. Determine the initial capital requirements for launching the fund, including expenses such as legal fees, registration costs, and operational expenses. Set up a custodial relationship with a bank or financial institution to hold the fund's assets securely. Develop a fee structure for your index fund, including management fees and any other expenses that will be passed on to investors. 4. Operational infrastructure. Establish operational procedures for portfolio management, including how you will track and replicate the performance of the indexes your fund is based on. Choose a reputable fund administrator to handle daily operations, such as accounting, record-keeping, and investor services. Develop a distribution strategy for selling fund shares, whether through financial advisors, online platforms, or other channels. Implement robust risk management processes to monitor and mitigate investment risks. 5. Marketing and investor relations. Develop a marketing plan to attract investors to your index fund, highlighting its benefits, performance track record, and competitive advantages. Provide transparent and timely communication with investors, including regular reports on fund performance, holdings, and fees. Build relationships with financial advisors, investment platforms, and other distribution partners to increase the visibility of your fund. 6. Launch and growth. Once all preparations are in place, launch your index fund and execute your marketing and distribution strategies. Monitor fund performance closely and make adjustments as needed to stay aligned with your investment objectives and market conditions. Continuously evaluate opportunities for growth, whether through expanding your product offerings, entering new markets, or enhancing your operational efficiency. Starting an index fund business requires careful planning, regulatory compliance, and a commitment to delivering value to investors. By following these steps and staying focused on your objectives, you can build a successful fund that meets the needs of your target market. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.